Y'all want to know something? I suffer from depression. Right now, my bedroom looks like this. To get an overview, like dead ass, bro. First of all, the shoes on the shelf for me, the clothes for me, the makeup table for me, bro. I be on and off on here, I'm not gonna lie, but if you want to subscribe, you can. I think I'm kind of funny sometimes. I don't know though. Today we're gonna clean my bedroom because holy fucking shit, bro. On the real, my bedroom is a mess. It's been like this for literally 3 months, and it's to a point where like I can't even function, and I feel like I need to clean my room, otherwise my life is going to it's just going to continuously go downhill. So this is probably gonna be like a few days, not gonna cap. This is gonna take a couple of days. I'm guessing 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 business days, baby. The fact that it was Christmas a few days ago and I just brought home a bunch of my stuff from Christmas, and now it's like a bunch of new stuff with a bunch of old dirty stuff, and it is giving me, my fucking head is about to explode, okay? So yeah, let's just get on with it. I think what I'm gonna do is do 2 separate piles. I don't know what, I do know, actually. I actually subconsciously know every article of clothing in here that is clean and that is dirty. So what I'm gonna do first is the clothes. I feel like that's like what needs to be done before I even tackle all of the like organization and shit. So I'm gonna do 2 piles of clothes, clean and dirty, and then we'll see where we can go from there. I am built like a double cheeseburger from McDonald's, bro. Oh look, here's a hamper, perfect. To be honest, I don't think I do know what's clean and what's dirty. I really thought that I did. I know a lot of the stuff in here that's clean and dirty, but that's definitely dirty. I wore these on my trip. I'll wash them, you know. Some of these shirts I'm gonna actually put in a giveaway pile. That's another thing. I need to declutter my closet. I'm tired of like holding on to clothes that I never wear. So that's another thing. I'm also gonna be getting rid of stuff that I just don't wear. Like this, that's not even mine. So I'm gonna get that out of the pile. I'm gonna make towels a pile because I know there's a fuck ton of towels in this. I wore these on my trip. Dirty. These are chonies. Never worn it, ever wearing that. I don't think these are dirty. I haven't worn them. These I just washed. Oh shit. I'm getting the piles mixed up. Fuck. Dirty. Towels. Towel. Towel. Dirty Grinch pants. Dirty jeans. These sleigh leggings, girl, please. This is like a straw. That's not mine. A lot of this shit is my sister's, by the way. These are like, I'm orbiting. This is Haley's shirt, bro. She specifically told me to give her this shit back. I didn't even wear it, but I forgot to give it back to her, so. For now, it's just gonna go in my clean pile. She can get it next time she sees me. Clean. Clean. Me Johnny's again, stop. All these socks, I don't know. I'm just gonna wash. It doesn't hurt to like wash something twice, okay? It's 2. Oh, what the fuck? That shit had me bent. Are you for real right now? You got what to be capping. This is weird because this is my ex-best friend's. She was talking to this little boy at the time, and he allowed her to borrow this sweatshirt, and then like I went to her house and then she let me borrow this sweatshirt. And now I have this random ass guy's sweatshirt. An ex-fling of mine shot a load on this. Bye. I gotta keep. I'll wash it though. It's just like a black t-shirt, but it's so unflattering, so I'm gonna give it away. I literally wore that shirt when I was like over 250 pounds. And that used to be my shit. These are granny panties, but they're hella comfortable for my period, so best believe I'm keeping those, okay? Socks on socks, bro. This shirt is so ugly, giving it away. Again, these are shorts that I wore when I was like 250 pounds. Over 250 pounds. Maybe they don't fit no more. They don't fit. This is disgusting. This is a freaking Panda Express bag. First of all, who even eats Panda Express? I have a bunch of trash that I'm finding, so I'm gonna put all of the trash that I see in my eyesight. Grandmother gave me this bracelet. I kind of fucks with it heavy. It's like a cute little peachy bracelet. Period. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done with the clothing. All right, guys, here we have an update. I pretty much got all the clothes sorted out for the most part. This is all the clothes that I either have to give back to my sister and my mom or give them away / throw them away. This is the clothes that I'm not really sure what I'm doing with them yet. They're my work clothes and like my work apron, so I'm just like keeping them right there just in case I have to go to work and I don't want to lose them. These clothes right here are all the clothes that I need to wash. And then I put all the clean clothes on my bed, but I hung them up or I folded them. I have a load of laundry in the washing machine. And so this is what an overview of my room looks like at the moment. That is where I put all of the dirty towels. So yeah, you can see some floor. So we're getting somewhere, but I think I'm gonna stop for tonight because it's like almost 2 in the morning. We'll be back probably, hopefully tomorrow. Welcome back. It's a different day. We're gonna start on some different things. Right now I have a load of laundry in the washing machine and I also have another load in the dryer. While the clothes are getting themselves situated, I'm gonna start organizing and cleaning off all of the shelves and tables that I have in here. I'm sorry if the camera is a little shakier and the angles are a little weird. It's because you guys are literally balancing on a pile of clothing. I'm just starting by taking everything off the shelf and wiping it down. So far I've cleaned off 2 shelves and I don't know where to put all the shit that I've taken off the shelf, so I'm literally just gonna put the stuff back on because I'm realizing it makes no sense. So I'm gonna put my speaker up there, this like jewelry case up here. I don't really know what this is, so I'm probably gonna put this in the go away pile. I got this cute little fake plant shrub thing from Target, so I'm gonna put that back up there. I also have this jewelry case that has just a bunch of like nail polishes and stuff. This is like a little purse that I never wear that I just kind of use for decoration for my bedroom. I have like a selfie stick and then a little mini tripod. I'm just gonna, to be honest, put like all of that up here by the speaker. I don't have some products for cleaning shoes. I'm gonna find somewhere else to store these because I don't think these need to be on display. Next we're getting on to this is my favorite shelf right here. So I clean the shelf. Now I'm gonna put the books back on this hoe. We got To Kill a Mockingbird, The Bean Trees, and Carrie by Stephen King. This book, read this one, read this one. Book recs. If you want to question the entire concept of the universe, read Fahrenheit 451. I don't know why I have these movies in general. Fault in Our Stars, Pretty Little Liars, all of season 1, Pitch Perfect, the first one, in Hunger Games. But I do. So this is the little jewelry plate I was talking about. I made this in a little pottery place, and I have a couple of the jewelry items that I wear often in it. I think I'm just gonna put that right here. I also found this one and put that in there. These are what my crystals look like. I have my salt lamp here. I'm just gonna rest them right here for now. I kind of want to put them with my salt lamp, but I don't know where I'm gonna put my salt lamp here yet because it needs to be plugged in, so I can't keep it where it is now. So we'll come back to it, but yeah. On this shelf, most of this stuff is gonna be thrown away. These I got these for my birthday. They're like liquor vodka candies. They're like chocolates with vodka in them. I just don't eat them, and I'm not gonna be able to eat them on keto, so also can't eat these. So I have a bunch of like Russian antique things from my grandmother. So I cleaned off the drawer or the shelves, and I'm gonna put it back up. Finished, and this is how it's come along. You got the speaker, all of the stuff up there, the plant and the purse on this shelf, the books, movies, jewelry, and right now the crystals and the salt lamp are on this shelf, but I don't know if that's gonna stay that way. Probably not, because like the cord goes like that and that bothers the shit out of me. We got the Russian knickknacks, the picture. This is the shelf that I dedicate for all my school shit and planners and stuff like that. And then down here we have the speaker, this box full of junk, and this foot thingy-mabob. Dude, this shelf next, but I don't think it's necessary for me to record it because I just recorded that last shelf. So this is a preview of what it looks like before. Y'all, it is a new day again. We are on day 4 of me cleaning this fucking bedroom, and I plan on finishing it today because I cannot sit here and do this for any longer. My hair's in a bonnet because it's a mess right now, and after this I'm gonna film a curly hair routine, so my hair right now is atrocious, so y'all better be grateful that I put this bonnet on. But let me show you guys what my room looks like at the moment. I ended up finishing cleaning this off, and this is what it ended up looking like. I ended up putting my 2 jewelry boxes up here, the glasses up there, the lamp, Down here is like my perfume, baby oil, lotion, deodorant little thing. Right here is where I keep all the candles. Got like my Polaroid, an old wallet, some little books, and a Bible. And then I have some school stuff down there. I still have some clothes in the dryer, but right now this is what I need to fold and put away. And I guess I'll do that last load out of the video or whatever. I still have to clean my vanity, which is gonna be interesting. Cue the cool transition in 3, 2, 1. Boom, it's cleaned. This is the part of this video that I have been hella avoiding. I just don't know what it is about me and my fucking vanity, dude. I literally just can't keep it clean for the life of me. And this is gonna be a lot of work, man. This isn't no easy breezy, beautiful cover girl type shit. This is a lot. This would be a good time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification button just because I'm so weird with my uploading. You want to make sure you're getting notified when I upload because I be gone for like a couple of months and then bop, I'm back. Anyways, let's get started. I keep that thing on me. I'm gonna try to clean it while looking skinny. I start keto in like approximately, I think it's 3 days. I start January 1st. Today we got Boro's pizza with pepperoni, sausage, and jalapenos. What the fuck? This is my favorite part of this. If you know me, no you don't. Click off my video. Oh, would you look at that? This palette hasn't been this clean since I bought it by. Okay, I don't even know where to start, ladies and gents. Girls, gays, and theys. I don't even know where to go. I don't even know where to begin. My friend ashed on this palette. So there's ash all over this palette. To be real, this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. I'm like 10 minutes and this is the progress that I made. It's just like I look at it and I'm so overwhelmed that I don't even know what to start putting away. Let me get some of the big things off the table maybe. Maybe that will help. And for the record, it's not always this messy. It is a messy vanity usually, but it's messier than usual because I packed up literally like 25% of my makeup when I went on a trip to Sedona for Christmas. And when I got home, my dead ass just dumped all of the makeup bags onto the table because I was like, I don't even know. I don't know why I did that, you know? I could have saved myself a lot of time and like energy and like stress and anxiety, but no thoughts, head empty. So I used freaking Q-tips so that I can like clean the makeup off my lips. So there's a bunch of like Q-tips with lip makeup on them. I think next I'm just gonna move all of these like empty makeup bags that I have up here. For reasons unknown to me, there's like so many makeup bags. Can we all just have a moment for this palette, please? Like, them shades though, they're so pretty. I literally stole this palette. I didn't steal it, I'm not no shoplifter. I didn't steal it. It was delivered to my home by accident and I kept it. Okay. I think I'm gonna take a moment to just trash everything that needs to be trashed. Yeah, that wasn't really much. I bought these lashes too. They're so goddamn ugly. So we pretty much got the vanity cleaned. So now I'm gonna clean all of this shit off. And I'm also gonna get rid of this mirror because I broke it. Hopefully I can buy myself a new one soon. I finally finished cleaning it. It literally, I had to spray this thing down like 5 times, no lie, for me to get it to what it looks like now. So now I'm gonna start putting all my stuff back on my table. Palettes right here. Just these ones though, because they look cute. And then brushes, be like one on each side type of thing. I don't know. Yeah, that looks fine. that'll suffice. And then my mom got me this like bread hair kit for Christmas that looks kind of cute that I'm gonna put up right over there. Also, it's gonna remind me to actually use it and try it out. Ladies and gents, we're at the final stages of me having a clean bedroom after 3 months. The last couple of things I need to do, I need to make my bed, even though it's literally fucking midnight. I'm gonna make my bed for the sake of this video, okay? Fucking thumbs it up, yup, or thumbs it down, baby, if you a hater, do that too.